Class 9 Mathematics English Medium Exercise 1.5 Question number 5 Roman number 3. Exercise 1.5 page number 46. Question number 5 Rationalize the denominators of the following. Roman number 3 1 divided by root 5 plus root 2. Solution 1 divided by root 5 plus root 2 equal to 1 divided by root 5 plus root 2. Now what is the denominator? Denominator is root 5 plus root 2 by what is the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2? The rationalizing factor of root 5 plus rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2 is equal to root 5 minus root 2. So by the RF, rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2 is equal to root 5 minus root 2. By root 5 minus root 2 we multiply both the numerator as well as denominator. After multiplying with 1, the numerator remains same, root 5 minus root 2, and denominator is playing the rule x plus y into x minus y. So x plus y into x minus y is equal to what? X square minus y square. So here we write root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now square and root is cancelled, square and root is cancelled. So what is remaining? Root 5 minus root 2 in the numerator, and denominator becomes 5 minus 2. Now the numerator is root 5 minus root 2 and denominator is 3. Now the denominator becomes a rational number. This is called the rationalization of denominator. This is the answer. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.